particular time, we are talking about future really Central Visayas. But unfortunately, I think there is something wanting here that the future of Cebu province was not mentioned. I don't know if you have touched that one because the speakers were more of EI-centered speakers in their approach of solving problems. So I think I have this in mind because I'm already an environmental planner, and I noticed that in our studies there is something like Cebu is already congested, and in my mind, in fact, kung congested na ang Cebu, we might have the idea of preventing in-migration. Okay? Because we have problems like water. We have been discussing about that. And if we cannot solve that properly, it will become worse in the coming years. Okay? So, I don't know if we can solve the problem through EI, water scarcity. Then, about the future of Cebu province, I think the planners of Metro Cebu and the province should be invited to attend and talk about the future of Cebu, of Central Visayas matter. Although Bohol is not that problematic just like Cebu. So I think we miss that. We have to probably the speakers should be allowed to react to that.
Sige, sa sapul na sapul kami din, urban